Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Scorpios, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity into your relationship and career situation, guys, I have a pick a card reading coming up, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards, guys. Scorpios, we have 10 of spheres, 10 of spheres, judgment, magician in reverse, 10 of suns in reverse, and astronomer of spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your relationship or it may be in your career situation. Maybe today things do not seem right. Maybe something you feel is missing. You have some doubts or you are confused about certain things. You don't know what is the right thing or what is the right path to go, and you may be seeing lot of obstacles or some stressful situation. Maybe someone is sick in your situation. You are worried about that, stressed about that, and maybe people in your work or in your personal life, they are not revealing the truth. They are hiding certain things from you, and you feel really stressed because of that, and you don't know which way to go or what is the right thing to do for yourself today, guys. And maybe even in your career situation, you may have some doubts, confusions to make the choice, so you do not have clarity today, guys. And maybe the people who are truly concerned about you, there is someone who is really concerned about you, guys. So this person is here to help you out, but you need to identify who it is. It may be your best friend, or it may be your mentor, or this person you love. So they are here to support you and guide you out of some difficult situation. So if you can trust this person, and if you have that total belief that they are having your they are really concerned about your welfare, you can trust this person and listen to them, listen to their suggestions, ideas, and take the necessary steps or decide for yourself based on the guidance they are giving you today, guys. And you are spending time today, Scorpios, with the people you love. Maybe you like to be with them, you are spending time with them, having a good time today. And in your situation, guys, maybe we were speaking about confusion, and that may be because some people are not telling you the truth, hiding something, and they are trying to manipulate you, guys. So we were talking about someone here to help you. So only if you have that total trust on this person, you need to listen to them, guys. Otherwise, you should not listen to whatever this person is telling you. But whatever your situation is, Scorpios, maybe someone trying to manipulate you, or someone not telling you the truth. Whatever the situation may be, guys, you are going to see a great change coming over, and Maybe it may be because of people helping you out in this stressful situation, or you may have the clarity. You know for sure what is the right thing for you and what will work out for the best for you or for your life, maybe in your career or in your relationship, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your relationship and career situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys, Scorpios, that is coming up right now. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have two cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have two cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose these two cards, the first card is for your relationship and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level, and that person leaves a mark in our life and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first two cards. That is the reading. So, for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys, turquoise, and this is for your career situation. So, with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much, and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did, and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship, and you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So, reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.